Hey, it's me Rishikesh Kannan, popularly known as Rishi K. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon now to get the latest videos and get taken into a world of entertainment, culture, sport, business and current affairs.
But you know, when I see the Fame game on a serious note, and I see what the children who are playing your children, which is Muskan and Lashveer, go through, I'm wondering your boys, what they must have gone through, or they go through, you know, as Madhuri Dixit's children. Do they come and vent with you? Yeah.
What happened was I moved here. I was in Denver for 10, 12 years. And when I moved here, my kids were 6 and 8. So they were old enough to understand a few things, but young enough they didn't completely understand. So when they started going to school and people started knowing that I'm their mother, the 6-year-old one day came home and he said, my friend today asked me, who's your mother? So he said, my mom is my mom. He says, no, what is her name? So he said, he didn't say anything. He said, I didn't know what to say, mom. So then he said, I know your mother is Madhuri Dixit and you're so lucky. That's what he said. He says, that's what he said to me, mom. I said, yeah, that's okay. But you're my mom. I said, yeah, of course I'm your mom.
Sanjay, Madhuri ma'am, Manav, great to see you guys. How are you?
Great.
Good,
Thank
and
you
great
so
to see
much.
you too.
Sanjay, I'm going to start with you. You told me during the last hour on Zoom that you're a total foodie, which I think you're lying about because when I look at your size, I drink water and put on weight. And you said that on each set or wherever you travel, you try and find some new things to eat. So let's start with a bit of fun. In the Fame game, what did you eat? On set, off it, in Nasik or elsewhere?
We were staying in Nasik at the Taj, and we are again at the Taj now. So I started eating a lot of salmon. So I think so, yeah. I said that they say that's anti-aging. So if you think that I'm looking younger, I think so that the salmon is doing the trick.
Well, there are different types of salmon, Sanjay. I mean, there's the indigo kind of salmon, which is $1,200 a pop, and there's salmon that you get, at the neighborhood joint, which is about, a couple of hundred a pop. Which one are you talking about?
I think so. The one I'm having is 1,200 for sure. It tastes expensive.
That's a good one. And now that, the wife and you are both working so hard, and she's also, on OTT, it's all okay.
Yeah, that's what. In fact, I've been saying, I hope like after season 2, what's happening with me in Fame game, I have an identity problem. I have this complex with my wife that she's more popular. I hope it doesn't happen in real life.
And heaven knows what's going to happen when the daughter comes in.
Yeah.
Yeah, what fun. I'm so happy to see you back, and your fans are delighted. But when I see the Fame game on a serious note, and I see what the children who are playing your children, which is Muskan and Lashveer, go through, I'm wondering your boys, what they must have gone through, or they go through, as Madhuri Dixit's children. Do they come and vent with you? Yeah.
What happened was I moved here. I was in Denver for 10, 12 years. And when I moved here, my kids were 6 and 8. So they were old enough to understand a few things, but young enough they didn't completely understand. So when they started going to school and people started knowing that I'm their mother, the 6-year-old one day came home and he said, my friend today asked me, who's your mother? So he said, my mom is my mom. He says, no, what is her name? So he said, he didn't say anything. He said, I didn't know what to say, mom. So then he said, I know your mother is Madhuri Dixit and you're so lucky. That's what he said. He says, that's what he said to me, mom. I said, yeah, that's okay. But you're my mom. I said, yeah, of course I'm your mom. So initially it was a little confusing for them. But as they grew and as they lived here more, they now they are like grown up and they understand everything. But this was the initial, bit where, kids used to come from other classes and, stare at them or whatever to say, oh, this, and whispering with each other and stuff like that. But now they are like pretty cool about it.
We should ask them what they go through, because I was speaking to Bhagyashree's daughter yesterday. She's debuting.
Oh,
and she
lovely.
said, I'm fed up of people coming and saying they have a crush on my mother. People who watch Maine Pyar Kiya. So, Manav, well done. The swag of very Shah Rukh Khan-esque, waving out from the balcony, the big movie star and things like that. that's a first for you, isn't it? I mean, people always think of you with hardcore acting parts, and here, they've allowed you to have a bit of a swag. So must have had fun doing that.
I think credit goes to Shirao completely because I think I'm here because of Shirao. और हम लोग तो एक्टर टाइप के लोग हैं ना, तो हमको हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं कुछ ये थिएटर किया है इसने, इसको इंटेंस रोल दो या पागल का रोल दो या इसको ऐसा रोल दो, एकदम हार्डकोर रोल दो. बट मेरे लिए भी बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज था ये रोल. मनीष खन्ना प्लेइंग अ सुपरस्टार, इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज ये वर्ल्ड है जिसको मैं जानता नहीं हूँ बिल्कुल, और मैंने कभी ऐसा हैंग आउट भी नहीं किया उस तरीके से. तो मेरे लिए बहुत चैलेंजिंग था. बट there are a lot of things about Manish Khanna which I identify with. So मैं बहुत बेसिक पे रहा, और एंड लकीली माधुरी मैम, संजय और जितने सारे एक्टर्स हैं वो इतने बढ़िया एक्टर्स थे कि आपका एक तरीके का सपोर्ट मिलता रहा कि एवरी वन वॉज परफॉर्मिंग ग्रेट, राइटिंग वॉज सुपर्ब, बिजॉय, करिश्मा, ये लोग इतने कमाल डायरेक्टर थे, तो मज़ा ही आया काम करने में.
I like the layers in this character that you play, Sanjay. And take it from a man who's married to a very beautiful wife, that it's a little tough sometimes.
Yeah, it's very tough.
And I mean, you're a handsome man, don't get me wrong, but having a beautiful wife in real life and in real life, a human being goes through a lot of complexities, and sometimes he becomes a nasty piece of work. It's a very well-written character, and again, you must have loved digging your teeth into this.
Yes, absolutely. I think so. More than the beauty, I think so. What happens when the wife is getting all the attention, and you are like, I don't want to use a word, but basically you become like a sidekick. You could be, you must be a successful man on your own, but when the identity part of any human being is very, very important, And I think so in this shows, that's what this character is facing. And for me, I've been working for 28 years. I've never got a chance to play a role like this where there is, you're playing a character which has got these kind of, layers. And I'm playing this complex character and, who's wearing great clothes and who's looking very cool, living in a big house. But from inside, he's feeling very, very poor. And he's feeling that he doesn't have an identity. He knows all this doesn't belong to him. And that's what he's frustrated about. Ye mera nahi hai.
Well done. Very nicely played. You have so much dignity in real life. I mean, it's so obvious. But even the part is very dignified. The way she talks to her son, helps him come out of the closet, the way she deals even with her mother who's been very, very unfair. There's a lot of dignity in the way it has been written. Did they use that word? Did she use that word, say, I want you to keep this poise through most of the series?
No, like what we decided was that even though she might not be happy with her mother or whatever, it's finally her mother she's talking to. So wo jo tehzeeb hai uski,
Bilkul.
that should not go away. Because finally she is a lady who's elegant, who's beautiful, who people look up to, who people think that has a perfect life, She has a lovely husband, lovely kids, and she has a family. She lives with her mother. And that's the kind of image people have of her. And they've kept her on a pedestal. So she has to live that. She has to live that in front of people. And even when she's private, because that's the person she is. But finally, she is not very happy with everything that has happened because everything has been forced on her. And she's feeling suffocated, in that atmosphere where she has to keep up the appearances. And yet there's so much she wants from life and she's not getting.
All the journalists are going to ask you this through this whole campaign. I mean, I really could put both of you together now and make you do the Raja dance. And time will stop still. But obviously, we all age and we age gracefully and with dignity. How much has this gentleman to your left changed? Or is he still the same Sanjay Kapoor from that time?
I think he's still the same. I mean, we met and I was living in Denver for 10 years. But I used to come and go and we used to bump into each other. Like he said, there was a workout place where,
We used to work
out, Ram, me and him. We used to keep meeting on and off and, exchange pleasantries and all that. But when I started working with him is when I got to know him even better. And he's still the same. I mean, it could be we are shooting for Raja right now, It's like that.
Like I said, I'm very fortunate if I've shot for more than 1,000 days in my life or 1,500 days in my life. I've shot for 200 days with her, so I couldn't have asked for anything better.
Oh, so
because
sweet.
Indu shoots a lot, so I think so 100 days to be shot for Raja only.
Yes.
And between
I have heard of those
between
ones.
Mohabbat and this show, 50-50 days more.
But आप पे आरोप है because the kids were saying, especially the boy Lakshveer, he was saying that, you know, whenever there's a serious scene, Sanjay Kapoor will come and crack a joke. He's such a great actor. He can lapse back into concentration, but my concentration goes for a toss.
The funny thing is, he has these one-liners on the set. He always comes in and he'll say something so funny that it's like everybody bursts out laughing. And here is a giggler who starts giggling at any
And
point.
then doesn't stop.
And doesn't stop. And once I start giggling, I can't stop. So it used to be like one mayhem. But through it all, we were very professional. We did our job, and we were really, really very excited about this script.
Yeah, actually, with the kids, the thing is, you know, I know when I started, when I was new, and I knew that they were working in this kind of a setup.
Correct. It's
Just
intimidating.
not the
Yeah.
actors, just the whole thing. You know, the sets and everything. For them, everything was new. So we all just needed to make them, because they have such important parts. So they needed to have that body language and comfort level that we needed to be like friends. They didn't have to feel as if they're working with people who work for 30 years. We're working in big setups. So I think so after a few days, it just became so casual between us. So I think so to break that ice, was very, very important. If I was very serious or anything, I don't think so we would have broken. Though our relationship is different, but there has to be that comfort level between actors, and I think so that's very important.
No, that's very
Any
sensitive
actor.
of you, Sanjay. That's very sensitive that you would crack these jokes just to make them feel.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Manav, cinema and web series' primary job is to entertain, but I like it when there's a little bit of social consciousness. You know, I like the fact that the mother is telling the child, there's no easy way to do this. Come out of the closet. I mean, it's almost like a handbook on how parents should help their children, you know. Likewise, I like the way that your characters and the shades of the character has been dealt with, In India, there's still very little understanding of what a bipolar person is. We just make a sweeping statement saying pagal hai. But, these are real issues. A man can swing from one pendulum, like a pendulum from one end to another. A woman can too. And how did you deal with that aspect of the bipolar aspect? Did she give you research material? Did you read? Did you go by instinct? उसके बारे में बात करना चाहता हूँ.
I mean, you can't go by instinct with bipolar because you have to understand it's a huge problem and it's an illness basically, and we don't understand that, and also it's not depression. So depression may, you hide things. You come across as like more happy person when you're in depression in life. You hide, but in bipolar you don't have any control at all. So I was very confused between the depression and bipolar. So when I started doing research, and of course Shirav helped me a lot with each and every scene. So I thought that this guy who is like, actually in life also, when you are a superstar and the moment you close your doors, you are alone. So that swing is huge. Like the moment you open the door, there are 1,000 people outside your house, and the moment you close the door, you're alone. तो मुझे वो मनीष का ये एस्पेक्ट बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर लगा. एट द सेम टाइम बाइपोलर मुझे लगा कि वो इतने सुंदर और इतने कंफर्ट जोन में आना चाहिए विथ हर. लाइक द मोमेंट आई लाइक स्टार्टेड शेयरिंग दिस होल प्रॉब्लम विथ अनामिका, द कैरेक्टर ऑफ अनामिका, वो एक आपको पूरा उसका एवरी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ दैट इलनेस यू कैन सी. बट एट द सेम टाइम इन पब्लिक विथ शूटिंग विथ दिस with his daughter, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सिंपल और प्लेन है ऐसा. बट वेरी वेरी टफ. आई स्टिल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट उसको कैसे किया जाए करेक्टली, बट आई जस्ट ट्राइड.
मैंने तो अभी एक ही देखा है, वो एक शेड जब राजश्री आती हैं पुलिस वाली आपके पास और आप उतरते हो स्टेयर से, it's obvious you've been drinking and you've broken down. Fabulous job. Let's talk about some of the other cast members. Madhuri ma'am, Mac, Makarand Deshpande is a highly entertaining character. He always scolds me saying, you damn journalists, radio, TV guys, you don't cover theatre, come and cover theatre. And I tell you, I go and see his plays and I can't understand anything. I was telling Manav, it just goes shoo, because, they're so profound and experimental and things like that. But again, never a dull moment when Mac is around. So I'd like you to comment.
Absolutely. It was wonderful shooting with him. And we had such a good time because there's one whole portion in the hut where he is, he's kept me there, and he is, I asked him, "Aur kab tak tum yahan mujhe rakhoge?" And, we had such lovely exchange there because he's, like you said, he thinks like above everything,
Eccentric,
you know.
yes.
Yeah, exactly. And so we had a great time. He's a wonderful person as well. I
Lovely.
mean, we were shooting in the night. It was cold, and all that. And through it all, we were just laughing and joking, and having fun. It was really nice.
I want to share this. Like, I don't have any scenes with Mac, but I remember during the reading, he was also there when we started the reading. When we started the show, and we had to read. Basically, we were just actually getting to know each other, and instead of reading the script at home, we were like reading with all our lines. And तो सब हम जैसे मेरी लाइन आई मैंने से नॉर्मली पढ़ा, इनकी लाइन आई नॉर्मली पढ़ा, तो मैक की लाइन आती तो वो ऑलरेडी कैरेक्टर में था. सडनली उसको एक आदमी एक चिल्ला के वो बात कर रहा है,
And with his frizzy hair and everything, it's like
तो यार ऐसे लगता है मैं कुछ ऐसे तो नहीं कि श्री सारा रोल इसको दे देगा, क्योंकि हम तो एक्टर्स इनसिक्योर होते हैं कि हमने ठीक से किया कि नहीं, ये तो पूरा सीख क्या है.
And we were like, अच्छा तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया? सर ऐसा मत सोचो. ऐसी एक आवाज आती
That's
थी.
so
It's a
Mac.
super Mac in impersonation. It's a great Mac
लगा
impersonation.
यार मेरा निकल का रोल मैक ले जाएगा ये. अरे क्या डेडिकेटेड है.
And Suhasini Mule, I mean, she's the Iron Lady of the house, but she's as wonderful and
Yeah, in
beautiful.
real life
Complete
she's
opposite.
absolutely opposite. Opposite, absolutely. Yeah.
And you've worked with her. Just a little bit about Suhasini ji. And
She is a wonderful person, and if you see her life, it's been, it's something that I wouldn't connect her with. She is, when you meet her, she's very sweet and very this, but she is so, she's like what do you call it? Like a feminist, women empowerment kind of a person, and the sweetest person I've met. And we had such good times, on the set, joking, singing songs, and reminiscing about everything. And she's so beautiful. She is so beautiful that when I met her, I said, "Oh my God, you're so beautiful." And she's like, "What are you talking about?" So she's something else, and she's such a good actor. I mean, for this role, when she's all sweet and like a teddy bear, and the camera comes on, and it's like, "Oh my God, this mother,"
This mother-in-law.
Oh yeah, exactly.
correct. The Iron
She's
Lady
so
of the house.
controlling and she is so dominating that it's amazing to see that switch.
Ma'am is extremely modest, humble. We know all about that. But, did you have a knot in your stomach to do romantic scenes with her? I mean, this is Madhuri Dixit at the end of the day. I mean, I'm sure you, along with millions of people, grew up watching other people romance her. And here you are, romancing her,
Unbelievable, है ना? But पता नहीं मुझे बहुत समय तक तो आई डिडंट इवन रियलाइज कि व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग. आई वाज वेरी एंग्शियस, एक्साइटेड एंड ऑल दैट. बट हम लोगों ने जब सीन शुरू किया तो देन यू सी वो होता ना एक पूरा का पूरा आपका एक इमेज अचानक ऐसा लगता है अरे नहीं ये तो एक्टर हैं, ह्यूमन बीइंग, नॉर्मल, एवरीवन इज लर्निंग लाइंस, एवरीवन इज ट्राइंग टू डू द सीन्स जो हमारे साथ किया. तो मेरे को लगा कि थोड़ी देर में सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो गया, और मुझे थोड़ा सा बुरा भी लगा कि मेरे को लगा कि नहीं ये तो ऑरा है ना, लाइक आई एम वर्किंग विद माधुरी दीक्षित, इट हैज टू बी डिफरेंट. इट वाज एक्चुअली वी आर वर्किंग विद एन एक्टर, हार्ड वर्किंग एक्टर. सो इट वाज नाइस, बट हाँ थोड़ा सा ऐसा लगा मुझे.
But like I've been saying, I always say about her is like when you're on set, when you're shooting with her and everything, like she said, कि you feel that respect is always there, and we all never forget what she's done in life and everything, what she's achieved. But on set, it never feels. Only when you go back home and suddenly you see a film of hers, or when you see her with fans, then you realize, अरे हम तो इसके साथ शूट नहीं कर रहे थे.
नहीं, but also when in between scenes ना मैं भी कभी ऐसा होता है, because I've directed so many plays and I've directed so many actors, so वो मेरा डायरेक्टर आ जाता है थोड़ा सा ना बीच में कभी. So I used to like say कि क्या इसको ऐसा करके देख सकते हैं या ये सीन को ऐसा, and we were like we tried things and it was so simple. So बाद में actually आपको realize होता है कि what was I doing? I was suggesting like things to Madhuri Dixit.
We did that the scene where we were walking. There's one scene where we were walking, and just a little small exchange between us, and we did it twice, thrice, and something was not working, and then he's like, "थोड़ा ऐसा कर ले उसको." So very apologetically he was asking me like, "You think we can do it that way?" I'm like, "Yeah, sure, let's do it." And so we did it, and it just worked, and so it was great.
Yeah,
and that's how
Yeah, collaborative.
come
That's
up
wonderful.
with. Yeah, it's always collaboration.
Do you know Shri from before, who's written this script? I mean,
Well, I know Sri from before because we were working on some other project and which didn't pan out. So that was the end of it. And then he came to me with this subject, and I thought that it was a great script to work on.
and I remember when I interviewed you for your song release, you had told me that living in the US, OTT was such a normal part of your lives.
Yes.
You know, the Netflixes of this world and this and that you obviously had absorbed it a lot before India had absorbed it. So you must have been waiting for, I mean, you were already there as a producer, but I'm saying you must have been waiting for the right one to dive into this. And this one is it.
For anything, even if it's for film or anything, you always wait for the right script to come along, where you can, really dig your teeth into the role, and also because every character has been written very beautifully in this, and every character has a backstory, and how their lives kind of have an effect on your life, and how she's trying to keep her family together, and she's feeling frustrated because that's not happening. So I thought it was very beautifully written. Every character has a lovely arc, and it has to be that way, especially for series. You have to have every character, put in very beautifully. And even the casting, I think, turned out so nice. I mean, even the kids are so talented, and so are these two, of course. But so everything came together beautifully.
My last question is about Bijoy and Karishma. Sometimes one would feel two directors on a show, one person doing one episode, the other doing another episode. But it's the 4 episodes I've seen, it's just turned out so seamless. Did it ever occur to you, Madhuri ma'am, occur to you, Sanjay, Manav, that there are two different directors in the show? Were they totally in sync?
No, they were completely in sync because it's this one series. We are sitting there. We are rehearsing for the episodes. We know who's going to direct which episode. And once we worked with them, we know what kind of style they have and how they approach, different scenes. So you kind of adapt. And you know which episodes are going to be done by whom. So you know in your mind that this day we are going to see Karishma, this day we are going to see, Bijoy. And sometimes it happened the half day we shot with Karishma because the location had to be done, and then halfway we shot with Bijoy. But it was so seamless because Shri was there, as a showrunner, and he used to be there present. Every time we were shooting.
Which was fantastic because, there was a time difference when we were shooting in November, which was like 10.5 hours, winter time. And I think he used to go to sleep when we were packing up. I think so that's the reason he kept a lot of night scenes, so that we were shooting in the night and he was awake in the daytime. And coming
but in
back
any
to,
case, you're all 90s people.
Yeah.
You've done multiple shifts in multiple studios.
Yeah, but
half day Film City.
Coming back to Karishma and Bijoy, I think so one of the most important thing for them, they were not trying to outdo each other. The other day also when we did the trailer launch, it was so nice when Karishma said this, when I used to shoot, and a few days when Bijoy also had to shoot, she as a child excited used to show her stuff. I've done this, did I do it right and everything. So I think so that also, like, they were not, like what I said, they were not trying to outdo each other. They were trying to make the series fantastic. So that really, really helped. And I think so that's what everybody's reacting to. That's the reason it looks as if there are two directors, but it looks like one person has directed it.
The Fame Game releases today, the 25th on Netflix. It stars Madhuri, Manav, Sanjay, and a wonderful ensemble cast. Please go watch. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you so much.